I'm about a 1/16 of an inch back. Make sure the face of that frog is good and clean. Don't want any debris that will prevent that from seeding. Sight down the sole. Get it parallel to the sole. It's a little bit too tight. Back that screw off a little bit. Okay, wax that. Let's see what happens this time. That's better. Keep that bench top free of shavings, because you go over those little fine shavings, they'll get stuck in the bottom and they'll prevent the plane from working properly. Okay, I'm going to start back here. I've done enough work there for what I need, which is just to remove that bump. I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to start working toward this side. And I guess what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on a bit of an angle, and I'll just move. I'll move from end to end, but I'll move by planing on a little bit of a overpass or overlap each pass by about a third. You see, we got a little bit of a hump in the middle. Hitting out here. This is a little bit hard to incorporate the outside edge of this tool tray. So I'll reference part of the plane on the bench, and I pretty much just got to take this one down by eye. So it's low here, it's high in the middle, and then it's pretty much even down here. So what I don't want is when I'm trying to plane this, for the outside of the tool tray to be holding my plane up. So I'm just going to purposely take it a little bit lower, and hopefully I won't end up taking it so low that it ends up being lower than the finished bench top. But I'll take it down ahead of the bench itself, and then hopefully as I surface the bench, it'll catch up with where the tool tray is. That should be enough. Okay. Okay. Over this end. Now you know why I was looking forward to this. Somebody suggested I let Jake do it. I'm liking that idea more and more. Roll up your sleeves, Jake. bumping into that again. So I gotta bring that down. So let me explain again. I'm trying to reference by keeping the tail end of the plane on the bench and then purposely taking this down so it's lower and out of the way. Frick, did you ever stop to think maybe you got the easy job? No. I don't see you sweating.
I don't.
Those of you who want to see Frick do something, speak up in the forums.
I see it twice a week.
Oh, that was quick. This ring, I have no idea where it came from. But over the years shooting videos on this one, they always considered it the golden ring or some dumb thing. But we did end up using it whenever we were shooting a video. We'd focus so that the overhead camera was focused right there. So we just kind of use it as a point if I ever wanted to show something and focus it, put it right over there. So it might be gone now. I gotta get this arm. I gotta keep this arm in. Okay, it's quite a bit lower, so it's out of the way anyway. Not terribly critical that that be on the same plane. It never really gets used for anything other than supporting that vise. Now I'm going back the other way. Okay.
1 minute.
Yeah, okay, well what I'm going to do is I'm going to resharpen this. As I said, just from the crap that's been on the bench, I didn't expect the blade to last that long. After this, we'll probably be able to get most of it done with the next sharpening, but that top layer takes off or has so much dirt in it. That's pretty dull. So I'm going to go back through and sharpen that again. So we're out of time. Okay, let me just give you a quick rundown of what we're going to do next time. I'm going to try to keep this down to maybe 3 episodes, hopefully not have to go as many as 4. But as you can see, the tail vise is a little bit low. Not terribly worried about that. We're 1 pass away from getting that picked up. A little bit of problem right here. However, that'll come into play soon enough, and so here. So maybe 2, possibly 3 more passes end to end. The last one, I'll go with the grain. And if we need to bring a scraper in, we will. But hopefully we can do it all with the plane. And then I'll show you the finish that I use on it. I'm not going to try to bring the edges into play. I'm just worried about the bench top. Alright, so I'll be in better shape for the next one. We'll see you back here for episode number 2 on working on the bench top. See ya.